Um, Now we're going to discuss the next experiment in web technology, that is JavaScript timer function and objects. So first I'll explain you about I'll show you the output and then we can come and discuss the code. So you can see the first thing we need to create a navigational tag, and in between them I have written something like store and moving card, change font size, dynamic background, digital clock. When digital clock when digital clock is clicked, the digital clock need to be the time need to become. And when dynamic background is clicked, dynamic background nothing is changing first and actually it's not a dynamic background. Changing font size. Move mouse over here. When you mouse over here, the font will change. Moving car. So a car image is present here. When you click on start, the car starts to move. When you click on stop, it stops, and when you click on reset, it goes back where it started. So student. So when you click on student, here you will get some information like, so when you click on student, you will get this thing: name, register number, date of birth. So you need to enter your name, register number, and date of birth, whatever you want, and you when you add more students you can add. Please enter the details in given format. So it interrupts you. So when you click on print, it will click, see, you can see John. So this is not the thing before 2000 after this. Since I have entered wrong thing, so it will print like this. So no, alright, so I will explain you the code. So all the things I have done with JavaScript, HTML, and also style sheets are good background. So the title is moving car. Here I have linked with the cascading shield, and here you can see style. I have here itself I have declared the style sheets. uh, so image image absolute, the height of the image and width top, and input style I have closed. And in body I have given the background color as white, you can see white color. And I have opened the navigation tag here and closed. In between them, clock.html, these are the things I have declared. In between them I have written clock, digital clock. When you click on digital clock, you can see the background of the clock. All these things I have declared. And in car I have given the image of the car, and input class button, type button. So when you click, you need to click on car. So when you click on start, the car will start. When you click on stop, the car will stop. When you click on reset, the car will come to the position where it started. So this is the JavaScript I have used. So this is a script. So I have opened the script tag. I have closed the script tag. Since I am doing all the thing in a HTML tag, I need to connect. I need to connect it to the script. Uh, so have you script open and script close tab. You can see where int f equal to false, x130, document dot query selectors. So all these things, if it's not equal, if it is not f, so this is a function it will run. So plus plus, if parcel in document dot get element greater than 1000, false, true. All these things you need to do. Is so I have declared a function like this. And again here the function is called. You can see the function is called. So when you click function, the function is called. All these things. This is for digital clock. Okay. So the same thing actually, in everything I have typed this. No need to only in HTML you can type this, and all the remaining things you can type in JavaScript. So this is a JavaScript code for getting time. So the time is taken from your laptop. So whatever time you kept here shown here, it will show in the inside your computer. So the function is called function. continuous function. Function is called, you can see new date d dot get hours, so d, and I'm calling the d get hours, get minute, get seconds. So document dot get element id time. So in all these things so for dynamic background you can see again the same thing. So you can see for dynamic background, so match.random means random colors will come. So the colors coming at a speed of very fast, so the colors will come at very fast speed. So some dynamic colors, so 0.5 in 0.5 seconds the color will goes on change RBA color. So mouse, when you mouse over there you can see the thing mouse. So this is JavaScript code which is used for mouse over. When you mouse over, the font size will increase. So you can see the basic font size is 3, and when you font over there, the size will increase to 6. In 0.5 seconds everything changes. When you click and you go to mouse over, in 0.5 seconds mouse over in 6, and then the mouse over, it will come back. So this is a CSS style sheets, inline, all the things, the color I have given for looking good. So here you can see the same thing I have declared, uh, mouse, all the things. So you can see, so the table, so the text will be aligned at the center, and so table opened and table closed, and row I have declared some data. In row I have declared some data. In row I have declared some data. The data is all the data will be stored. The text alignment, the alignment of the text will be right side. So name, list, and number, date of birth, all these things. So the padding is 2%. The table is closed. So all these things I have done in form format to look like a registration form. For doing this I have done this. So here, mhm, here you can add more students, all these things. So these are the HTML thing. I'm going to JavaScript. So here like where student name John, your percentage is 1, 2, 3, Joseph, your percentage 4, 5, 6. All these things just for basics. You can even type your name. So I'm using for loop and if loop and else loop. All these things in JavaScript. So this is a JavaScript code. You can even study, you can even get it from the online. So you can see I'll run one more time for you. And X.html is now there. So you can see digital clock. So 10:44, so 22 44, that is 10 43 seconds. So when it comes to 50, even here it changes. Wait, 45 10 seconds. So sorry, it works on old digital clock. So dynamic background, you can see background changes in 0.5 seconds. You can change when it comes in 0.5 seconds it changes. So moving car, you can move, start, stop, reset, student. So that type print. So I have defaultly given some list and it will come automatically. Thank you.